here's our first look at Off to Neverland by who else? Diamond Art Club. Diamond shape is round, 55 by 77 centimeters. You guys, this is a big one. It is going to be very large. Now you notice this holographic little pattern across the front of my kit. It's just for a little extra touch of sparkle. That's how they roll there. So let's open her up and let's check her out. Holy cannoli, is this one beautiful. As always, they're beautiful. I mean, I don't even know what else to say anymore. I know I sound redundant in all of these first look videos, but I do need to make sure that you understand how fabulous these pieces are. So when you go to spend money on them and you're like, what? You'll know why. Okay, this one is Off to Neverland. It has, holy cannoli, 45 intensely vibrant colors. And you can see there's tons of purples. There's gonna be a lot of blues. We're gonna come over here. Oh, let's take a look real quick at our drills, just so you can kind of get an idea of the colors. Of course, I'm having a love-hate relationship with my skylight today because this is where I chose to record and the sun's coming through. Anyway, you can see these fabulous colors. Look at that line. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh my God. All right, so there are the drills. Here is our schematic, which you know I love. It's all about the little details. Our toolkit. That makes, what, 14 now? Just kidding. All right, I'm gonna move our little paper schematic over here. If you're wondering what this is all about, you can just look at other videos and I kind of go through all of that. You've got your schematic on the right, your schematic on the left, but I wanna just take a look at the fabulous colors. Let's just peruse this beauty. You guys, I don't know about you, but when I'm doing a diamond painting, color keeps me motivated. So that is why I am so obsessed with these very bright colored canvases. Now, it's kind of hard because of my daggum skylight to see, because I've got this nice little gradation thing right here, to see the overall piece. And you can see it stretches across my kitchen table completely. I've actually got it hanging off a little bit on this side so I'd have room for my mount to hold it over on that side. But basically, Peter Pan is pulling her into Neverland, which is amazing. And look at all these rainbow colors in here. Incredible, you guys. I mean, super vibrant. I do feel like I'm repeating myself a whole lot on these videos, but I'm just in awe. I really am. Okay. Well, there you go. There's Neverland, or it's gonna be. She's gonna be there soon. She's gonna take a little trip. There's something down in here. Let's see what this is. The Mandie Manzano is the artist for these type of like kind of a stained glass look. I'm gonna be honest, when I first saw these, I was like, meh, I'm not sure that's my style. But now I'm collecting all the princesses and all the ones that they have at Diamond Art Club with this look. I don't even know why. I'm just obsessed with them. But sometimes you'll look down in the details. You'll see things that maybe you didn't catch before. If I'm not mistaken, that's Hook. See his little hook? I never paid attention to that. So there you go. Make sure you always look inside. Oh, here's another little person. Probably a mermaid of some. Yep, there's a mermaid. There's her tail. So she's got all this stuff hidden in here. Some waves. And, you know, technically, this is a mermaid. She's basically a mermaid. So Wendy looks like she's got a mermaid tail, which just takes it up to a totally different creative notch. Let's see if I can get down here where there's no lights bouncing. There's also something here. I'm not sure if that's anything. I'll look back a little bit. I think that's it. But you've got your moon and your stars, and then over here you've got your sun and some other little details. Alrighty, you guys. Oh, there's another sun. Hope you love it. It's amazing. Okay, don't forget, if you want to look over some Diamond Art Club paintings, to use my referral link and check it out. Maybe I'll earn some points and so will you, get a discount or something. All right, you guys, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff, and be sure to come back later for more videos. Have a great day, and as always, thank you for watching.